Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell things faster on OfferUp without shipping. So if you're looking to sell products like mattresses, cabinets, basically really big items, maybe vehicles or cars, this video is for you. The first thing that you can do is to make sure that you utilize your title and make sure that it's filled with all sorts of keywords. So if you're selling a camera, for example, you don't just want to put camera in your title. You want to put the brand name of the camera, you want to put digital camera, you want to put mirrorless camera, whatever else kind of camera it is, but basically you utilize all the different sections or keywords or titles within your title. Next thing you want to do is make sure you take advantage of all the different product photos that OfferUp gives you. So product photos are absolutely huge. Now I'm not saying you have to buy a softbox or a light box to actually take photos of your product. Simply just use window light. Natural light is some of the best lighting that you can get for your product. So just use natural light. Now the third thing is to compare your product of what the price is on Amazon. In the description of my OfferUp listings, what I'll say is the price of this camera is 20% what you'll find it on Amazon. Amazon being the largest retailer, a lot of people are always comparing the prices of OfferUp listings to what it is on Amazon. So that little subsection where I say, okay, the price of this product is 15% of what you'll find it on Amazon, or the price of this product is 50% of what you'll find for this price on Amazon, that usually helps convert more into sales. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.